Hey everyone, it's Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. This chair is called the G5 Pro. It's made by ComfyGo. It's actually called the Glide Care G5 Pro. Glide Care is a series of products within ComfyGo's product line. This is an economical travel chair. There is a regular G5. This is the more advanced version. So this chair is, it supports 265 pounds of weight. It gets down to 40 pounds without the battery. It is approved for airline travel, has a brushless motor, has a digital joystick. So in this video, I want to go over it in a little bit more detail so you can learn more about the G5 Pro. So on the back, these are your two brushless motors, which actually brings the weight down. So the previous version, the G5, that one had brush motors. This one's brushless, so they're quieter. So you can see right now they're in the drive position, which means the electromagnetic brakes are locked. So if you're run out of battery life, you can push both of these down into neutral. Now you can push it like a manual wheelchair. You could use it as a walker. Just keep in mind, if you leave these in manual and you turn it on, you're not going to be able to operate the chair. You have to make sure they both flip back up into the drive position. These are flat free tires we have here on the back. All the ComfyGo chairs at this point, I believe, are flat free. You've got two spring suspensions here on the back, and then this is a little storage pouch on the back. It does come with a wireless attendant remote control, which comes standard. So if you're a caretaker, you can use this to operate the chair. It actually has a really long range, get up to about 60 yards. And we've shown how to use this in other videos, so we'll put that on the screen. Another upgrade to the G5 Pro compared to the G5, this is now like a leather diamond stitch, so it's a nice stitching. The previous version was just like a mesh version, or mesh type of cushioning. You got a seat belt that is also standard. Joystick, as I mentioned previously, it is digital. So you've got your speedometer, it's in miles per hour. You've got your battery life over here. Here's your speed control. Top speed on this is around 4 miles per hour. You've got a front headlight. So you've got a low beam, high beam, and flashing lights. So that's high beam, low beam, and then you got the flashing lights. In addition to that, you can flip up these armrests. So I can flip them up like this. When I put it back down, I want to secure it in place. I just clamp it just like that. So it's a little different than what you might see on other electric wheelchairs. So when you flip it up, you can see here, you got the headlights. You've got your charging port. You've got a USB charging port there as well. This is a bracket that is mounted on here. So right now we have it on the right side. It's going to be standard on the right. If you're left-handed, it's easy to move to the left side. You just unscrew these screws. Then you can transfer it over to this side. You also have some reflectors here on the sides, and you have a front spring suspension as well on the chair. So you've got two front springs, two rear springs. Does a decent job of absorbing bumps on different types of terrain. You've got your battery tucked up underneath the seat here. There's a little button. If I press this button, it'll slide right out. It's a compact battery. You can charge the battery off the chair. So I can leave the chair in my car and then charge this inside your home. Once the charger turns green, then you know it's fully charged. And because it's airline approved, the airline is going to require you to take this on with you. So you can see how compact it is. You can just put this in your laptop bag. So to put it back in here, you're going to have the button facing down towards the ground. And you just simply slide it in and it snaps right into place. You have a very basic foot plate, but this helps keep the weight down. It's not adjustable, but it does flip up. And I'll show you how to fold it. So the first thing I'm going to show is, I like this in a lot of the ComfyGo chairs. You can disconnect the joystick right here. Well, some brands you can't disconnect the joystick, but I think this is great for traveling. So I just unscrew this. It comes right off. And then I can slide the joystick out. So if you're flying, I would remove the battery and take this off as well. And then as far as folding it the rest of the way, there's a latch right here. I'm just going to press it like that. Allows you to start folding. You can set it upright, put the foot plate up, and there's actually a little hole right here. This is the cool selling point about the G5 Pro. This is a handle, so now you can wheel it behind you. Actually, the wheels are locked. So let me put it in the freewheel. And when I put it in the freewheel, now I can wheel it behind me. So pretty cool feature to be able to do this. Yeah, these are just stable. These aren't anti-tip wheels. These are just stabilizing wheels. It allows you to set it upright. But believe it or not, this little handle makes a big difference. A lot of people really like this. And it just sets it apart. It's pretty unique compared to other products in the industry. I'll sit in the chair. Now I'm weigh 235 and I'm 6'4" in height. So I am close to the weight capacity. But again, I'm tall, so I want to show you what I look like. I like to do that in a lot of videos so people get an understanding of what they may look like. Oh, you can hear it beeping at me. It actually gives a C4 error code, and the manual is going to let you know that that's because we have it in freewheel. So I'm going to put both the motors into drive, and now it turns off. So now I can operate the chair. So let me sit down here. And this is what I look like. So I feel like it's okay. Probably want to be a little bit shorter. Want to ride comfortably in here. But yeah, this is the G5 Pro. Nice economical chair. It's been redesigned compared to the regular G5. And if you have any questions about it, call us. We're open every day. Phone number is 1-800-682-9444. Visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com to learn more as well. Have a nice day.